Do you want to earn money from TikTok affiliate marketing, but can't afford to purchase every product for each video? Don't worry. Imagine boosting your earnings and captivating your audience, all with the power of AI. Today, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to create stunning TikTok affiliate videos without any physical products and make thousands of dollars through affiliate marketing. Remember, TikTok is one of the fastest growing social media platforms with a significant user base from higher GDP countries like United States. What does that mean? Users in the US generally have higher purchasing power, which can lead to better conversion rates and higher earnings from affiliate marketing. All right, let's find out how you can leverage AI to create viral TikTok affiliate videos that will skyrocket your income and engagement. Let's get started. Meet Jog AI, the ultimate tool for marketers. Whether you're promoting the latest tech gadgets, beauty products, or the hottest fashion trends, Jog AI empowers you to create stunning videos effortlessly. And the best part? You don't need to have the product on hand. Jog AI takes any product URL from platforms like Amazon, Walmart, eBay, or Shopify and transforms it into a captivating affiliate videos. With AI-generated scripts, lifelike avatars, and realistic text-to-speech, your videos will look professional and engaging every time. Let's start with step 1. Simply sign up for Jog AI using the link provided below. Once you've signed up, you'll see a dashboard that looks something like this. Here you can see that Jog AI supports these platforms. For step 2, you need to have a TikTok account. If you're in a country where TikTok is banned, don't worry. You can buy a fully monetized US TikTok account from this website, which will also help you earn money through the TikTok Creativity Program. The link is in the description below, so be sure to check it out. Step 3, finding the right product. In step 3, you need to find a product with a good commission rate or one that is trending. You can choose products from e-commerce platforms like Amazon, Walmart, eBay, or Shopify. Each platform has different commission rates. But before making video, I recommend using a TikTok analytics tool to research trending products. For example, Shoplus is a TikTok analytics tool where you can check the analytics of any product, such as sales reports, views, revenue, customer ratings, etc. You can check which products are trending and generating the most sales in different countries. For instance, let's choose the United States. Here, you can see complete stats showing which products are top trending. In the hot sales list, you can see the top selling products. Let's open one. You can check all the data for this product. Its price is $12 and the commission rate is 20%. Below, you can see detailed product statistics for the past 7 days, showing how many sales and how much revenue this product has generated. You can also check the stats for the past 30 days. This single product has generated $2.52 million in revenue. In the relevant videos section, you can see how much revenue each influencer has generated. For example, an influencer with only 19,000 followers generated $485,000 in revenue and over 32,000 sales. If they earned a 20% commission on each sale and a product price of $12, so this influencer earned $77,520 from just one product and one video. Amazing, right? Be sure to try this tool. Link in the description below. All right, let's move on to the next steps. Step 4, creating the video. Now let's create a video with this product. I found this product on Amazon, and it has good ratings and customer reviews. So I will simply copy the product URL from here, then go to Jog AI and paste the URL. Click on Analyze the URL. Jog AI has fetched the product title, description, and images. After that, I will click Next. Here, you can choose the aspect ratio, set the video length, and target audience. I will target those interested in health and fitness, then click Next. Jog AI will generate some scripts for you. Choose the one you like. I will select this one and hit Next. And boom! In just a few minutes, your video will be ready. You can see that there are many templates and realistic AI avatars available. I am surprised at how realistic these avatars look. They will make your video appear quite professional. You can use any avatar and template you like. For this health product, I will select this pretty girl. And this template. Perfect. If you need to edit anything, there are 2 options: Quick Edit and Pro Edit. In Quick Edit, you can check the layout and add any media. You can customize the layout according to your preference and replace images with each other. Then confirm it. All right. In Pro Edit, you can customize everything. You can change the layout, avatar, delete, or add to the script, add new text, and change the background music. Once you have made all the edits, just save it. Jog AI has another amazing feature where you can create videos in batches. Simply click the plus icon, and your new video will be ready. You can set up as many videos as you want this way. Just change the templates and avatars for each video. Try different avatars in each video as they all look very realistic. Similarly, replace the templates from each video and try to choose a different template for each video set. Once all the videos are ready, you can render them all at once. Keep in mind that 1 credit is used per video, and since there are 6 videos, it will use 6 credits in total. Simply submit, and in just a few minutes, all the videos will be rendered together. This method is great for those running video ads and wanting to test different ads to see which performs best. Then you can continue with the best performing ad. Now you can see that all our videos are rendered. Let's play 1 or 2 to check.
Meet Melania Moore's 15-day cleanse, your gut's new best friend. Packed into 30 capsules, this powerhouse blend features senna, cascara sagrada, and psyllium husk to flush out toxins, boost digestion, and balance your gut flora. Meet Melania Moore's 15-day cleanse, your gut's new best friend. Packed into 30 capsules, this powerhouse blend features senna, cascara sagrada, and psyllium husk to flush out toxins, boost digestion, and balance your gut flora.
Meet Melania Moore's 15-day cleanse, your gut's new best friend. Packed into 30 capsules, this powerhouse blend features senna, cascara sagrada, and psyllium husk to flush out toxins, boost digestion, and balance your gut flora.
As you can see, the videos are well made, and the lip sync is excellent. Let's make another video for a different product. This time, I will create a video for an ice cream maker that also has good ratings and customer reviews. It has millions of views on TikTok. I will follow the same steps again. Copy the URL, paste into Jog AI, choose the aspect ratio and video length, set the target audience, and select the perfect script, and boom. The video will be ready in seconds. This time, I will choose a male AI avatar. I think this one is perfect. I will also remove the background music and render the video. In just a few seconds, the video will be ready. Let's preview it.
Ever struggled to find the perfect frozen treat that suits everyone's taste at the office? I did, until I discovered the Ninja NC301 Creamy Ice Cream Maker. Its Creamify technology transforms frozen bases into creamy delights in minutes. With 7 one-touch programs, you can easily make ice cream sorbets, milkshakes, and more. Imagine customizing flavors right at your desk. Ready to elevate your office snack game? Order now and taste the difference.
As you can see, this video is also well made. This is how you can create TikTok affiliate videos. Now let's talk about the pricing. There are 4 plans: free, creator, business, and enterprise. With the free plan, you can create 1 video. The creator plan gives you 60 credits, allowing you to create 60 videos yearly and costs $15 per month. You can also increase the credits on each plan. The business plan gives you 600 credits, allowing you to create 600 videos yearly and costs $120 per month. All right, that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more such content. See you in the next video.